So I started growing avocados with this cool little thing called the Avocado. It's really not that crazy. What it is, if you can kind of look at here, is pretty much what you do with just a toothpick, and you just, put toothpicks around it. If you've ever seen that, just put toothpicks around the avocado and submerge it in a bottle of water, and then the roots go out the bottom of the pit here. I'm going to try to pull the roots through so you can get a good shot of them. But all I did, you can see in there how it's coming right now. This is the oldest one that I have. So I got some of these avocados for Christmas, and all you do is you take the pit and you cut it a little bit, kind of peel some of that outside layer of the pit off, and then you just drop it in here, and then this floats inside water. So I've got just this container right here. You just put it inside the container of water, and then it floats enough to create a system where the avocado can root and do it properly. And I'll show you one of the other little guys I've got here. Right now I've got two that are going pretty good. There we go. Yep. So it works really well. These things are super cheap too on Amazon. I think they're just a couple bucks. And I'm actually going to go in the backyard. I'm going to plant these. I'm going to drop one in the aquaponics system, the hydroponic system now. And I'm going to drop one or two more in some soil so that I have room for more, because I only have 3 of these things. So I want to keep it clear for the avocados that are continuously coming through my kitchen, so that I can grow these and eventually have some little baby trees. They probably won't grow up to be too much. I probably won't have a quick update with any, fruit coming off of these anytime soon, but, we'll see how it goes. If you thought that little thing was pretty cool, you can go pick up like a 3-pack on Amazon for a couple of bucks. You can check the link below. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.